You will find that if you try and find and replace either question marks or asterisks in Excel, you're going to have some very strange behavior. So just to show you, we've got some codes here. These asterisks should be the letters SP, and the question marks are 3, but for some reason it's not working. So I'm going to go and try and do a replace. What you'll see, I'm going to say replace the asterisk with SP. So I expect SP to happen here. When I go replace all, can you see absolutely everything changes? I'm just going to undo it. So the reason for this is because asterisk is a special character in Excel. It's called a wildcard character. You can learn about it elsewhere, but if you actually need to replace the asterisk, you need to put the tilde sign in front. So I'm going to put tilde asterisk, replace with SP. When I say replace all, you'll see only the ones I wanted replaced are replaced. Same thing with a question mark. I can't just put a question mark. I've got to put tilde question mark and replace it with, in this case, a 3. When I say replace all, you'll see all the question marks are replaced with the 3.